Hello everyone, welcome to day 57 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you another way of crocheting the window flower. So yesterday's video, this was the flower that we did, and this is slightly different. Okay, it's a modification of also the tulip stitch. To start off this, I have crocheted 2 rows of single crochet, and the green row I'm going to start off here, which is going to be the repeat row. Okay, so once you have done 2 rows of single crochet, you're going to switch to the green color. Okay, right, and start off with 2 chains, and you're going to make 1 V-stitch, this time it's a double crochet V-stitch, and we are also going to chain 2 in between both the both the double crochets. Okay, you're going to skip 2 chains, and into the next one you're going to make the next V-stitch. Okay, you're going to continue this till the end of the row. So once you're done with the leaf row, you're going to end it with 1 double crochet, and again we are going to change color. Just like the tulip stitch, you're going to start off with a chain 3, and we're going to turn the work, and into each of these V stitches we're going to add 1 incomplete double crochet stitch and a chain 1. Again go into the next one, make 1 incomplete double crochet stitch and a chain 1. Okay, you can choose to do this with puff stitches as well. Instead of this, we can just make a puff stitch. Okay, the next row is where we'll be creating our window stitch. By creating a double crochet spike stitch. Again end it with 1 double crochet. So this row starts with a double crochet and ends with a double crochet. Right, now again change colors. If you want a white window here, you can make this last stitch with white as well. Okay, I'm just going to directly make a spike stitch here. Okay, now into the first flower you're going to make 1 single crochet, you're going to chain 2, and you're going to make a spike double crochet into the previous row's double crochet stitch. So this is what is going to form the windows. Okay. Again, chain 2, make a spike stitch. So okay, if you want, you can add a row of single crochet stitch before starting off the second row of leaf stitches. Okay, so just like this, you have to complete this row. So this is how it looks on the other side. Do try out the stitch, and if you have any doubts, you can DM us or put it down in the comment section. We will definitely get to it. So this is the difference between both the window stitches. This one has more of white, this one has less of white, and also it is one row lesser than the window stitch. Okay, so do try it out, and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet stitch.